For this experiment, we're going to make a lava lamp. I have about 4 ounces of water here. Added some green food coloring. We're going to add about 8 ounces or so of vegetable oil on top. Kind of pour that in. Let that separate. And what you need to get your lava lamp going is Alka-Seltzer, or in this case I have Denture Cleaner, which I hope will do the same thing. And we're going to take that and drop that in. And as that dissolves, there we go. We start to get some bubbling action. You can increase the effect if you want. If I have a light I'll put underneath, I'm going to light that up a little bit. So you get the cool lava lamp effect. If you don't have a little light to put underneath, you can use a little flashlight to put underneath. You can use like the light off of a old cell phone or flashlight, something like that. But cool little lava lamp experiment. Like I said, you could use Alka-Seltzer. In this case, I used Denture Cleaner. But